Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome back to RB on classes. In previous class, we have completed exercise 1.1, 10th, second main. Now we will start with 10th main, third question. If the number of steps move down is represented by is represented by negative integers and the number of steps and the number of steps moved up is represented by positive integers. Positive integers. Represents is moved in represent is moved in part 1, that is first question, I 2 by completing the following. By completing the following. In that A minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 so on equals to 8 minus 8. In that B plus 4 minus 2 plus so on is equals to 8. In A the sum, that is minus 8, represents going down by 8 steps. 8 steps. So, what will the sum 8 in B represent? B represent. Same. In previous class, we have solved 10th question in that A first and second. We will recall that because this is connected related to that problem. So, what is that in that first one? See here. This is first step, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. The monkey is sitting on the first step. The monkey is sitting on the first step. He wants to drink water and the water is on the ninth step. On the ninth step. Same. Here the monkey is sitting on the first topmost steps. That is first step and the monkey wants to drink water. He wants to come at the ninth step because the water level is at the ninth step. So what he did, the monkey did, first he jumped First he jumped 3 steps down. He is sitting here. 1, 2, 3. He jumped at 4th steps. Then he jumped back to up. 1, 2 steps up. See here. He jumped. Down means minus, up means plus. So here he is jumping downside 3 steps. Then coming back to 2 steps up. Minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. At the 11th jump, at the 11th jump, the monkey is on the 9th step. At the 11th jump, the monkey is on the 9th step. So this we have already saw in previous class. Now this is related to this one. That one is related to this. So we will see this. Solution. According to the given condition, I will write that. Solution. According to the given condition, according to the given conditions, we have the following. The following table. See here. According to the given conditions, we have the following tables. Here, jumps, and number of steps. See here. This is a table. Jumps. At the first jump, the monkey is on the 4th step. So, first jump 1 minus 3 because he is coming down 3 steps down. So, minus 3. At the second jump, the monkey is coming upside. So, 2 steps up. So, plus 2. Same repeating up to 11th jump. J3 minus 3. J4, J5, J6, J7, J8, J9, J10, J11. At the 11th jump, the monkey is on the 9th step. At the 11th jump, the monkey is on the quarter level. So, plus 2, minus 3, plus 2, minus 3, plus 2, minus 3, plus 2, minus 3. So, this is table. Now, total number of jumps. Yes. Therefore, the total number of steps. Therefore, the total number of steps. Total number of steps. See here, total means we should add here. See here, total number of steps. These are the steps the monkey jumped. So, in first step, the monkey goes down, and 3 steps comes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. At the 11 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. At the 11th step, the monkey is on the water level. Now, what they ask? The total number of steps. So, we should add here. We should add. We should add here. See, first take 2 plus positive numbers. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Positive. plus 10. Next, now minus minus plus, minus minus plus, minus minus plus, minus minus plus, minus minus plus. Here also addition. So add 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 18. But here the 3 have negative signs. All 3 numbers have negative signs. So here the sign is also negative. Now here positive, one negative gets 2 unlike signs is always minus. 18 minus 10 is 8, but in this two number the greater number is 18, so here minus 8. Check the question. Yes, plus minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 is equals to minus 8. It represents the monkey. It represents the monkey goes down by 8 steps. The monkey goes down by 8 steps. Therefore, which represents which minus 8, which represents the monkey goes down by 8 steps. Minus sign indicates the monkey goes down. So minus 8 represents the monkey goes down by 8 steps. Over. Completed. See here. Once again I will explain. Listen carefully. According to the given conditions, we have the following tables. According what the condition is given here. See, once again I will read that question. If the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by positive integers, represent is more in part 1 and part 2. What is that part 1? See here, this is part 1. Jump 1, monkey goes 3 steps down, and jump 2, the monkey goes 2 steps up. Same repetition of steps. At the 11th jump, the monkey is at the water level. Understand? Now, second question. In that B, in case second we get, in case second we get, see here, second table jumps, number of steps, here at the, now the, see here, now the monkey is on the 9th step. Because he wants to drink water, the monkey jumped 11 steps and he jumps 11 steps and the monkey is on the 9th step. He drank water, then he wants to go at the first step. What he did? Here, see here. He jumped 4 steps up, J1, 4 steps up, and then 2 steps down. 4 steps up, 2 steps, 4 steps up, 2 steps down, then 4 steps up. Then at the 5th jump, the monkey is on the topmost. The monkey is on the topmost step. This we have solved in second way. In 10th second way. Now, see here. Similarly, same like this. Total number of steps. Therefore, I will solve here. Therefore, total number of steps at B. Total number of steps. Add these all steps. Plus 4 minus 2. Minus 2, 4 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps. At the 5 steps, the monkey is on the topmost step. Now add. Total means we should add here. First add 4, 4, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Now minus 2 plus 4. minus minus plus 4, then two numbers also of negative sign, so minus. Now 12 minus 4 is 8, but the sign is positive because the greater number is 12. So in this second, see what they given in second question B, 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 is equals to 8. In A, the sum is minus 8 represent going down by 8 steps. So what will be the 8 in represent B? So here minus 8 represents monkey goes down by 8 steps. In B, the monkey goes, it represents, therefore it represents the monkey going up by 8 steps. The monkey going up by 8 steps. Over. Hope you understood, students. See here, this is a very interesting problem, but this is lengthy. Hope you understood. Now, for this you have completed exercise 1.1, 10 problems. Now, let's come to our exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. In that, first one, write down a pair of integers. Write down a pair of integers. Pair of integers whose, in that first one, sum minus 7. Sum is minus 7. Sum is minus 7. Here, write down a pair means two integers. Pair means here two integers. A pair of integers whose pair means 2. Here, the sum is minus 7. See here. Write down a pair of integers whose sum is minus 7. So here, one integer and another. There are two integers whose sum is minus 7. So here, why we are taking plus? Because they said sum. Sum means plus. So add two numbers in such a way that you will get minus 7 answer. You will get minus 7. Add two numbers such a way that you will get minus 7. So here 8 minus 1. Let's solve. 8 plus into minus, minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. But here we want minus 7. So what should we do here? So remove this minus, here take minus. Because in these two numbers, the greater number is 8. So in front of 8, you put minus sign, you will get minus 7. Let's see. Let's see here. Minus 8 plus 1. So here 1 plus 1 minus is minus. 8 minus 1 is 7. But here there are two signs, positive and negative. In that the 8 is a greater number, so minus 7. Here if you will take minus 1, then you will get the answer 7 plus 7. But here we want minus 7. So take big number as negative. Understood? Not necessary to take these numbers only. If you want to take another number, you can. See here. Or take other numbers also. See here. Minus 4 plus of minus 3 equals to minus 7. See here. Minus 4 keep as it is. Plus, why we are taking this plus means they said to sum, to add. Plus minus minus 3. Minus minus is plus, 3 plus 4 is 7, but the greater number is 4, then minus 7. You will get same answer. Take whatever you want to take. Other numbers also you can. 5 plus minus 5 minus 2. You will get minus 7. Okay. Now, second, difference is minus 10. Difference is minus 10. Difference here, there are two ways of integers. They said different. Here we took plus because they said sum. Here minus because difference is there. So minus. If we will subtract two integers such a way that we will get minus 10. So take minus 20 and minus 10. Simplify. Let's see. Minus 20 minus into minus plus 10. 1 plus 1 minus, you should subtract 20 minus 10, 10. In these two numbers, the 20 is the greater number, so in front of 10, you will minus. So, you got the answers. Same, minus 8, minus 2, then also you will get minus 10. Understood? Next, third, sum is 0. Third one, sum is 0. This is easy. See here, sum is add. Take two numbers such a way that you will get. Take one negative number, one positive number. Minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled. You will get 0. Okay. Minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled. You will get 0. Take minus 2 plus 2. Minus 8 plus 8. 0. This is also 0. Understood? See here, in this take homework, sum is minus 7, but don't write these numbers because already I have solved this. Take another examples of this. Sum is minus 7. In this, solve 5 problems. In this 5 and that also 5. 5, 5, 5. Total 15 as a homework. Take 15 as a homework. Write down other examples of these three questions. Okay. Now let's come to our second part. Second question. Second in the case, write a pair of negative integers. Write a pair of negative integers. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Whose difference gives 8. See here. Similarly to the previous problem, just see what they given. Write a pair of negative integers. See here. Negative means two integers. Negative means minus. Integers whose difference is, see here, two negative integers. Which are those we don't know? Let's see. Two negative integers whose difference means subtraction, whose difference is 8. Understood? Let's once again I will explain. Write the pair. Pair means this is one number, this one is one number. There are two pairs of negative integers. Minus, minus. Negative integer means minus. Two pairs of negative integers whose difference means subtraction. Whose difference is gives 8. So take two numbers and subtract such a way that you will get 8. Now let's see. Take whatever. Here take 4 and here 12. Let's solve. Minus 4 keep as it is. Multiply this with this because the bracket is in multiplication. Here this is multiplication, minus minus plus 12. Yes. 1 plus 1 minus 12 minus 4 is 8. Then which is greater number? 12 is greater number. In front of 12 is positive. So we got the answer 8. Understood? So first, while you are solving the problems, just see question carefully. See questions and like this do statement, then you will solve. See here, write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives. Negative integers means minus minus. Then difference is minus. Then add numbers in this statement. Then you will get easily answer. Okay. Next. See another example of this. Or another example of this one. Minus 2 minus 10. Minus 2 keep as it is, minus minus plus 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. The greater number is 10. So plus. Okay, understood? Now next over B part. In this B, write a negative integer. Write a negative integers, negative and a positive integer, and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. Whose sum is minus 5. Take B and C as a homework. Take B and C as a homework. Write a negative integer. Write a negative and a positive integer. Write a negative and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. Whose difference is minus 3. See here, write a negative and positive. So here, take one negative integer and another one is positive integer whose sum means here you should add. You should add here. You will get minus 5. Take two numbers such a way that the sum is gives minus 5. So add in these numbers, simplify. If you will get minus 5, then your answer is correct. Okay. Next in this, write a negative and a positive. Similarly same, negative and a positive. Whose difference here? Difference means subtraction. Here you are adding and here subtracting. You will get here minus 3. Take two numbers and subtract such a way that you will get minus 3. If you will get minus 3, then your answer is correct. This is also homework. Write in your homework in your notebook and send it to my WhatsApp number. If you have any doubt, then ask in that group only. Okay, dear students, I hope you all understood. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Now I will continue in further classes. Thank you.